language yako ni attention basi.
Wow.
Chickenin?
No, chickenin is not food, baby. It's junk.
Chickenin is food. Me and you agree. What do you mean? What's my favorite food?
Ugali. You love chapati, you love ugali.
Wagwan wadau ni Jenny. I hope you all are good. My name is King Ray and this is Young TV Kenya, and today I'm with my one and only beloved, my love. Please introduce yourself.
I go by the name Dera Cham.
Yep, Dera Cham. How well do you know me? Kwanza tuanzie hapo. In a rate of 1 to 10.
10.
10. Are you for real? For real?
8. Yes, 8.
Okay. So,
and how well do you know me? From 1 to 10.
I'll give it. Women are difficult. So
wow.
I'll just give it a lower range than yours. Nitajipatia hapo 7. Wacha tuseme 7 kama uko 8. Yeah.
If I win, what am I getting?
That's personal.
No, if I win, what am I getting?
Unataka kunipatia sana idea zenye maybe sita fulfill.
No. If I win, what am I getting?
Aya. Tutaenda kwenye ulikuwa unasema.
No. That was a promise, Han. No. That was a promise. No, something different from that. What am I getting if I win this challenge?
Alright, I'm buying you a new shoe. Then.
You've had, guys. So what do you want if you win?
Me?
Yes.
Are you for real?
I'm for real. Something I can deliver.
Right, what can you deliver?
You tell me.
Mimi nimekuambia nitakununulia kiatu, hata wewe niambie kinyo utanunulia. Ala. Kila mtu ni anajijua. Na usipo deliver ujue tuko na proof. Tutachukua hiyo video tutarecord. Slides. Yeah, these are old. Siwezi waonyesha. Right, okay. So yeah, it's the same range. All right.
Okay, yeah, if either of us wins, you the other partner shoe.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Question number 1. What's my favorite genre of music?
Any that you can dance to? Any that you can dance to? Hip hop?
No, not any. My favorite genre of music.
Danceable songs.
What are danceable songs?
What's your favorite genre of music? Urban tone.
No way.
Afro.
Right, you are right. Hip hop and R&B.
Yay! You see?
You are saying CG urban tone?
No, I said hip hop or any song that you can dance to.
Right, okay. It's your time. It's your time.
Same question. What's my favorite genre of music?
Reggae bana, reggae. Mtoma ngumi. Ngumi ni mbwekse.
Wow.
Yeah, that I know. I cannot forget.
Okay, up to
Kidole moja juu.
Okay.
Right.
Up to you now.
Yeah. Sasa nitauliza swali gani ngumu? What's my love language?
Respect.
Is that a love language?
Act of service.
Yeah. Act of service, yeah. Yeah. It's true.
I think it's the same questions, right?
Right, okay.
What's my favorite? What's my love language?
Gifts. Nitakuwa ile time ya togetherness. Nitakuwa nini ya? Naitwa nini? Yo unapendaka
bonding.
Yeah, like si bonding, wacha tuseme Love language yako ni attention basi.
Wow. Okay.
Oh, I don't remember the actual name, but anapenda kukua like when we are together most of the time tuko tu pamoja doing nothing.
Doing nothing.
Alright, like anapenda tukue tu pamoja. Sometimes I just wanna be alone. Alright. Okay, it's your turn to ask questions. Hata mimi I'm out of questions.
Okay, at your attention. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
But am I right or wrong?
I love attention, yeah. You have to give me attention.
No, gift.
Yes,
It's your love
gifts,
language.
yes.
Yeah, right.
What's my favorite food?
Whoa. Guys, I'm about to look. Chicken in. Just no chicken in. Yeah.
No. Chicken in is not. Chicken in is a snack, junk.
Hey.
I've not said my favorite junk food.
Like, okay.
What's my favorite food?
Injera. Whoa, okay, I don't know.
And I keep on telling you, what are you cooking? Beef and
injera, beef and ugali. I don't know. So what's your favorite food? Beef.
For me, I have two favorite foods. For me, I like beef and ugali. The other one, I like injera and chicken.
At least I was right. Two. I was right. Chicken in.
No, chicken in is not food, baby. It's junk.
Chicken in is food. Me and you, we agree. What do you mean? What's my favorite food?
Ugali. You love chapati, you love ugali. Grilled chicken.
Yes.
You see me?
I know Nini, two of you of your favorite food, so don't judge me. All right. Okay. Another question.
What do I prefer? Which one do I prefer? Do I prefer cold milk or warm milk?
Cold. You don't drink tea. Alright. What about me?
Hot. Surely you like hot tea.
I like tea. Wavuta bangi, I know you can understand me. Yeah. So another question. Am I an indoor person or an outdoor person?
So
it's about to go down.
Both.
No explaining.
In terms of work or in terms of just chilling?
Not in life. Wachana na work ni ya mwenyewe.
Okay, no. For me, I think you are an indoor person. Because most of your work is indoors, so yeah, you're an indoor
What about you? Me, najua wewe ni party person. You're a part animal. Yeah, so
nimekombolewa na Yesu.
Ako huko nje manzi. All times.
I'm an outdoor person.
Outdoor. And that inaleta kitanzi vibaya sana. Story for another day. Right. Another question ni hii. Question nyingine?
Which is my favorite drink?
Coca-Cola. Unadanganya.
No, okay. Okay, let me make it simpler. Which is my favorite juice?
Like your favorite juice?
It's about to go down.
Hii yenye shakaina anaitisha inaitwa nini?
Lemon.
Yeah?
Orange.
Hapana. I don't know. Wacha tuseme tu.
Wow. And I keep on telling you I love passion juice. Wow. For him, he likes sugarcane.
Yeah. She didn't specify. She said
I
drink.
specified which is my favorite juice.
Okay now. Okay. Na hizo viatu lazima zikuje. Nitawapostia video muone kama tu. Another question, me I don't have another question.
How do you, for me, which one do I prefer? walks, hangouts, as in okay. Hangouts, watch and chilling, or yeah, those two. Hangouts or walk and chilling.
Walk and chilling.
Nah, I like hangouts. Baby, I like hangouts. Napenda like, let's go here, let's do this, let's do that.
Yeah.
Let's hang out. I'm getting the shoes, y'all. Like for real, honey, you know me very well. I like outdoors.
Yes, you like
and
outdoors,
I like
but not.
most.
All right. Okay.
I always
Sawa.
insist like twende huku, let's go. You understand?
I choose peace always. And what about me?
For you, you like chilling. Unanga maneno mob. Like you choose your peace.
Always. Yeah.
This has just come to my mind. What's my ring finger size?
6. 6.
It's not in terms of that's my shoe. That's shoe size. 6,
No.
7 is what rings zinakuja in 15, 16, 17, 18.
Yako basi ni 16.
Yes.
Oh, nilikuwa nimesahau 10.
16.
What about me?
19.
Anauliza tu maswali anajua.
No. Okay, you're free to ask, honey.
All right, it's okay. Me, I don't have other questions. That's how well I know you.
Are you sure you don't know me? How many questions have you gotten well?
Ni two simple questions. Umeshinda mingi.
Umeshinda mingi? What's my shoe size?
Sishasema 6.
6.57.
Alright. Hapo ndo tunamalizia kwa leo. Until next time.
I'm getting the shoes, you.
Yeah. Until next time. Peace out, man. Kimeibiwa. Rudisha juice yetu. Rudisha juice yetu wewe. Rudisha juice yetu.
Uko live.
Rudisha juice. Rudisha juice yetu eka hapo. Wewe unachukua nini? Yeah, okay. Okay, back to action. Tulikuwa tumefika hapo.